Everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is what is the monomers of the nucleic acid calls? The correct answer of the question is nucleotides are the monomers of the nucleic acid DNA and RNA. A nucleotide is made up of the nitrogen base adenines, thymines, genuine cytosines, or the alkyls. A phosphate group of PO3 bonds and a 5 carbon sugars. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there an ask session on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.